Hey, what's up? Yesterday I did a personal video, my first time going live. Alright, today, another personal. Difference is this time it's more about business when I'm going live today. A few people have hit me up in my inbox, reached out to me, you know what I'm saying, through my text messages or whatever. They had my phone number about how I'm going on these trips, what am I doing. You know, boy, you was in Jamaica and Hawaii last year, which last year those trips were different. That was a girlfriend at the time who, you know, we did some things together. This year is really mostly about me, how I'm using my business through myEcon to generate some more additional money, so I can put money towards other things. All right. So I know people go to the inbox opposed to, you know, text, hit me up on Facebook on the stat or whatever, because it's an uncomfortable situation sometimes talking about money. Finances ain't really always easy to talk about, especially when you live in paycheck to paycheck. You know, and you're making 50 grand a year, but you know you still check the check. You got some credit card debt. You got, you know, everyday expenses you got to take care of, stuff like that. So I understand it. You know what I'm saying? But it starts with being open-minded to change. A friend of mine brought it to me. Shout out to Hernando Cortez Springer. Went to school with him, man. He hollered at me, you know, over a year ago, and I've been telling you guys this for over a year now, about myEcon and how it, you know, could change your life and stuff like that. But sometimes people got to see it happen before they really want to become a part of it. That's kind of backwards to me. They want to see me succeed before they say, well, oh, he doing something right. You know what I'm saying? So I've been trying to educate you guys and bring you guys along from day one, sharing information, stuff like that. But you know, you got to be open to change. I can lead a horse to the water. I can't make them drink, you know. But basically, what I basically have done is through myEcon, I'm freeing up about $400 more per month, basically about $100 a week. That's like a whole lot of money, but if you look at that, over $100 a week over the course of a month is $400. When I was working in St. Louis, it was about $300, about $75 a week. But now got a better job, basically, you know what I'm saying? So you use your job, most of the time, the more you make, the more they take. When you have a home-based business, the more you make, the more you bring home, because you don't pay a federal withholding tax. Since you have a business, you know, page 2 of the W-4 form that you fill out when you get your job, you know, back of it has like itemized deductions. That's something we don't normally use, but when you have a home-based business, you do have itemized deductions, which entitles you to more exemptions. So I bring home about $100 more per week on my check. $400 a month over the course of 12 months. You do the math. Okay, so that's how much money more I'm bringing to my household. Secondly, I use that money to free up any debt I had or whatever, or I still may have. You know, instead of paying a quarter for $300, I might pay $400. You know what I'm saying? Knock that out faster, stuff like that. So basically, that's what you're trying to do, is you're freeing up more money. It's perfectly legal to get these deductions, and then when I go out, basically, it's basically what I'm doing is write my lifestyle off. When I go on these trips, I keep the receipts, my airfare, my hotel stay, my rental cars are all tax deductions because I have a business. All I got to do is, when I'm in the airport, talk to someone at the bar, have a beer. Talk, hey, have you ever heard of income shifting? Have you ever heard of myEcon? You know, tell them what you're doing. Give them a business card. So that little 5-minute conversation now I might stay in that bar 2 hours. Everything I have in that bar, you know, from that time frame is basically was a business meeting. So I can legitimately write that off. And myEcon basically has some record keeping software that tallies up, you know, my write-offs, and since it's a home-based business, a portion of my rent or mortgage, any utility bills I pay, all those things are tax deductible because it's a home-based business. So say for instance, 25% of my living space is used for my office. That means 25% of all my expenses are tax deductible. That's basically what it comes down to, you know. It's basically just writing your lifestyle off. The same thing with your company that you work for. You know, they probably don't give y'all nothing all throughout the year. But when it comes time to balance those books in December, they throw a big Christmas party for you. Give you gifts, whatever, because they have to lower that taxable income. So if I make 50 grand this year and I write off $20,000 through my business with myEcon, I'm only going to be taxed on the adjusted amount. So I'm not going to get taxed on the $50,000. I'm taxed on the $30,000 that's left after I paid my business expenses. So basically, you're just basically writing off your lifestyle. That's the same exact things that all these corporations do as a tax benefit that they use. It's a loophole in the system, and it's perfectly legal for you to do it. You know, if you have a company. myEcon there's no sales involved. You don't sell anything. You know, you basically just sharing information. If I share this information with you, and every 7 people who get on with me, you know, sign up. If I sign up 3 and those 3 sign up 2 more, whatever, y'all call it a pyramid, I call it $1,000 in my bank account. And I'm direct deposit to my account, because every time that number hits 7, I call it a touchdown. My bank account get in touch with $1,000. You know, sometimes it's 500. Depends on what the introductory rate is when the person joins. Right now it's just 119, so that'll be $500 for every 7 that join in. You know, but it's just another additional income stream. You know, that, you know, come on, man, keep it real. Ain't nobody out there got rich from working a job and saving with a bank. It's mathematically impossible. So you have to have additional streams of income, additional streams coming into your household, whether it's your 401k, but you got to have a job. You know what I'm saying? The job is number one. That's going to fund your life. That's going to fund all your necessities. You know what I'm saying? So you got to have a job. So then you use your job to use their 401k. If they gonna match 6% of, you know, if they max you out and say, well, you put in 6% of your pay, we'll match 6%. That's free money. You better go on and go for the gusto. Add all 6% in there. Let them match it, because that's your retirement years. Because it's gonna come a time we ain't retiring, or we got to see what we can live off of the rest of our lives. You know, so get in while on the ground floor. A lot of times people want to get in to something after it's already established. You know, I recently put out there that I was gonna do a GoFundMe, because I always had in my heart, I wanted to always give back to my community, pay it forward. So now I'm in a better situation, and I want to do that. So I put out a GoFundMe thing, you know, because what I want to do is, I'm late to the party this year, but I wanted to have school supplies for the kids. Me and my friend Raquel did it a few years ago. It was a major success. You know, we didn't have enough, because the word got around the neighborhood that, hey, they giving out such and such supplies around the corner, and we didn't really anticipate it being that big of a turnout. But once we did it, I've always wanted to do it again, but I wasn't in the right situation to do it. So I put out the GoFundMe so people can assist me, but I only got one person. Only one person said they gave me some money. That was $20, but I'm gonna put in $500. Whether anybody else joins me or not on this mission, I'm going to pay it forward. You will see me in front of TNT or Austin's Barbershop on Delmore handing out school supplies. Probably now won't be to December when they go back to school in January, but I'm putting that together. So get in on the ground floor if you want to assist with that. I appreciate it. If you want to take a look at myEcon, www.seanmartin.myecon.net. Go in there and check out whatever you want to check out. Ain't no scam. You know, people want to see, is it a scam? They got a lot of questions about this, that, and the other. I've been in it for over a year now. I ain't no scam. I wouldn't bring no scam to my friends and family. You know, right? So if y'all want to get in, take a look at www.seanmartin, SeanMartin.myecon.net, and give us a look. You know what I'm saying? But I want you guys to, while I'm on vacation, I wanted to shout y'all out as to why and how I'm doing the vacation, how I'm doing this and how I'm doing that, because people questioning me. They hit me in the inbox because they don't feel comfortable coming to or posting something on the stat. And I understand that it's a touchy subject, you know, about money, you know, finances, but I want to see everybody winning. So take a look around the website when you get a chance to. There are some videos, some tutorials that you can go to YouTube, type in myEcon. There are other things you can look at if you want to do a background check or check with the Better Business Bureau. It's totally legit, you know what I'm saying? And for every 7 people that joins, you get a residual, you get a bonus direct deposit into your account. All right, so I'm sure everybody out there knows 7 people that need to keep some more money in their household, especially with, you know, every month there is a holiday. You know, we got August don't got no holiday, but shit, back to school. You know, then we got Labor Day in September, we got Halloween in October, we got Thanksgiving in November, we got Christmas in December. So every month, big businesses are gonna get in y'all pocket. So if you need to have an additional stream of income, why not get on in, join the introductory rate of $119, bring home $400-500 more of your pay, per month. It pays for itself. All right, I ain't gonna keep y'all long because really I'm on vacation, but I'm finna get up out of here. Y'all have a blessed day. All right, peace.